Hello, SPS families. I am Dr. Shaka Miller, the proud principal of Hill Point Elementary. As we get ready for the new school year, I want to take a moment to talk about the impact of late arrivals and early pickups. When a child arrives late or is picked up early, they aren't just missing random minutes. They're missing the same subject or subjects over and over again. Furthermore, they are missing important classroom routines, the chance to build friendships, and those moments where teachers introduce or review concepts. This consistent loss of instruction makes it harder for students to keep up, practice new skills, or feel confident in their learning. We know life gets busy and sometimes it's hard to be on time or to stay the full day. That's why we're asking for your help. By working together to make sure our students arrive on time and stay for the entire school day. Your partnership makes a difference. Let's make this a great school year together from start to finish.
Here at the middle school level, our school day is early. It starts at 7 o'clock and it ends at 2 o'clock. Our tardy bell is at 7:25. And one thing that is important is those students getting to school on time. When students miss 15 to 20 minutes in the morning for being tardy, that can add up to over an hour a week, which can impact their educational performance. Also in the afternoons, when we have a lot of early dismissals, parents picking up early, that can also have a negative impact on student academics. We would like to have all students in school, especially at the middle school level, from the time the tardy bell rings at 7:25 to the end of the day at 2 o'clock, because students in the middle school level attend to achieve.
Did you know that students who miss 10 minutes of school every day end up missing 30 hours of instruction for the entire year? At the high school level, we operate on a 4x4 schedule model where students attend class for 90 minutes. If they miss 10 minutes a day, that ends up to 20 instructional classes. Imagine missing 20 classes of school. Sometimes we don't always think about what tardiness and what leaving school early does to us, but the impacts are just as detrimental as if a child misses school repeatedly. So some of the things you miss if you're coming into school are going to be the immediate direct instruction. Oftentimes, teachers will start getting students engaged and go right into teaching new content. On a 4x4 model, it's incredibly difficult to make up for missed content. So what we ask our parents to do is please set routines for your children. Make sure in the mornings that we get extra time in case there is traffic, especially if you're on 58. But any type of traffic, inclement weather, other things that may come about. If you have doctor's appointments or if you have other things that need to come up, we ask that you please try to schedule those after school hours or well before school hours so that your child can still make it to class on time.
At SPS, we're dedicated to starting the day strong.
Staying present every moment.
And finishing the day with success.
Hashtag
Attendance matters.